Hi, my name is Shannon and I'm coming to you from the Sea Science Center in Manchester, New Hampshire. Today we're going to be doing our Ladybug Activity Kit. This is great for early math learners who are working on linking quantities to number values. First thing we're going to do is open up our kit and look at our materials. Within your kit, you should have an activity instruction sheet and you can use this to follow along at home. You're also going to have 10 ladybug cards and just about 20 pom-poms. You're going to notice a few things about your ladybugs as you get started. So on each ladybug, you're going to see a hole punch out of the wings. These hole punches should correspond to the number on your ladybug card. To start the activity, you can either assist your learner and put the ladybugs in order or put them out randomly on the table. Either way is fine to start. Once you get your ladybugs laid out, you can have your learner pick up a pom-pom and put and place them into the holes on each wing of the ladybug. This act of picking up and putting and placing the ladybugs using your body is called kinesthetic learning. It's a great way to reinforce learning in this activity. The other thing you can do to help reinforce learning is to have your learner say the numbers out loud as they put and place the pom-poms. So for example, on Ladybug 2, I might have my learner say 1, 2 as they place their pom-poms. And then you can repeat that activity with all the ladybugs. Now, your learner might be at a different place, so there's some ways to modify this activity. If you need to simplify the activity, you can first start with just ladybugs 1 to 3, ladybugs 1 to 5, and then follow up with all 10 ladybugs as your learner gains confidence. If your learner is a little bit more advanced, you can also use the ladybug activity to practice addition and subtraction by having them add or subtract ladybugs together. Thank you for joining us for this Ladybug Activity Kit, and we hope to see you on the next Sea Kits.